बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected viewers, I am going to present a speech on 12 Rabiul Awal in English. The wandering day in the history of Islam. The month of Rabiul Awal is well known by all Muslim Ummah. 12 Rabiul Awal is one of the important days in the Islamic history because this is the birth month of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He was born on 12th Rabiul Awal on Monday in Mecca in the year 570 in the Georgian calendar. Muslims all over the world celebrate this occasion every year with peace and prosperity. 12th Rabiul Awal is a public holiday in Pakistan and it is celebrated all over the world with great peace. The mosques play a vital role in the celebration of this day. Special bayan, literatures, and the religious speeches are conducted to aware the Muslim unity and follow the teaching of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and thank Allah by giving the way of the forgiveness. Allah blessed us with the perfect mentor in the form of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. If the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, were not to come to us, then we lead to the gloom of the darkness. He helped the poor and needy. He came out of us from the darkness. He leads us to the right path, the path of the harmony, unity, and peace. He teaches the lesson of forgiveness. We must try to follow the teaching of our beloved Prophet because he will be the soul to get his strong believers in the paradise and forgiveness. One of the day of this beautiful occasion, people illuminated their houses with lights and the colorful decorations. The mosques and the madrasas are also decorated beautifully. People decorated their houses with green color pendants because the green color represents the Islamic Republic and the most favorite color of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The national flag is hoisted on all the public and private institutions, organizations, colleges, schools, and mosques. This respectful day starts with the 21-gun salute in the provincial headquarters and 31-gun salute in the federal capital of Pakistan. Special prayers are offered in mosques, in school, colleges, and mosques. Religious speeches and literatures are delivered and lectures are delivered on the life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Sweets and the foods are distributed to one another. The life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is the open book to the follow his guidelines to live a peaceful life. We all get the right path by the following guideline and teaching left by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. We should try to follow the life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, by heart, and also teaches the other to follow him in the order to get the successful life in the both worlds. Allah bestowed us with the perfect mentor. We should thank Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty give us the way of the forgiveness by the mean of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Now, here I conduct the speech on 12 Rabi Awal in English, and thanks to all of you. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, like and share it, and comments on it. Thank you.